We're back down here at the big vegetable garden, and our biodegradable mulch has come in, so we're going to try to lay a few more rows, or we're actually going to try to finish it out, but it's a little bit, might be too wet, I don't know. I tilled the first row here, got the Ford down here, and we're going to do a little test run, see how it works. And if it works, we'll keep on going. If it don't work, we'll come back this afternoon and try to finish it then. So we've already got these 3 rows that we did earlier planted, and I'll do that in a different video of what all we did and everything, or what all we got going. So I don't think I've done a video on that, have I? I don't think I did. So we'll talk about that later, and I got some other things I want to show you too. Probably do that in the next video, and because I got some things, first time something's really done good for us back here. So I'll show you that in another video. But I got the Ford down here, like I said. We're gonna set it up, try to put a row in and see what it looks like. I'm gonna try to tighten my rows up just a little bit, and I want to get 7 more at least, and I think I got room for that. Maybe I think I got room for 7 more. If we get 7, it'll be 10 rows. That'd be plenty for us this year. So I'm gonna get the Ford cranked up, pull over here, we'll get set up, and we'll film it and see how it goes. Give it a try. Bad thing about the first, when the row's so big, it seems like it's hard to turn or something, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it. We got 2 rows in, and it is a little bit wet, but we're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna go ahead and get this tilled up. Still ain't got my spacing good. I don't know, I'm gonna go pretty close on the next one, see how it looks. So we got 5 rows in, and I won't get 5 more, and I think we're past the halfway mark, so I need to tighten these up a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna get this tilled, rest of this garden tilled in, then we'll finish laying the So we ended up with 10 3/4 rows, and I could get one more in over there, but I decided let's walk over. I actually think I'm gonna put I'm gonna plant some popcorn and some Indian corn and some sorghum, and then we'll put it right here. I'm gonna come over a little bit, probably put 3 rows each from here over. So I'm gonna leave that, and I figured 10 3/4 would probably be enough. I was wanting at least 10. I got 10, and maybe 12. I could do 12 or 11 3/4, whatever, but close enough. So it looks really good. The old Ford tractor did really good right here. I'm really surprised. Never missed a beat. It's hopefully turned into a pretty good investment. Something we can use for a while, and we'll decide if we're gonna paint it or what later. But anyway, that's a different story. All right, you bet you're wondering why I've got my overalls on. It's blackberry winter. It was like 38 this morning. I'm afraid it might have killed all my cantaloupes. I had 200 cantaloupes, and it was about that big. I left that little back window open on my greenhouse. I think came in there and killed all them. So I don't know. I'll find out. So anyway, I'm glad to get this done. Now let's see. Probably do some corn next. I'm gonna take this off, put my cultivator on there. I'm gonna do some cultivating. I gotta cultivate the potatoes, all the cold crops over there, and then I got to heal the potatoes. So that might all be in the next video, because I gotta do that pretty quick. We're actually gonna kill chickens tomorrow, so that we won't film that. And we got 3 rows planted over there, and I'll go over that in a different video what all we done. So anyway, if you follow us on Facebook, you kind of might already know. All right, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm in the next video.